Air fryers, the best thing since sliced bread, or are they? I'm not so sure. But anyway, I'm going to test it out today. And what I'm going to be cooking is I'm going to be cooking a nice sirloin steak. And for the recipe, I'm going to be using just some of this all-purpose seasoning, which I got from Aldi. And a little bit of olive oil. And I'll also be having it with some buttered mushrooms, and I'll be putting some local one-stop frozen fries in there as well. So let's get cracking. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a little bit, just a tiny little bit of olive oil on both sides of the steak. Just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to brush this olive oil all over the steak, and I'm going to turn it around and do the same on the other side. Okay. All around the fat, all around the edges. Okay, so that's that done. And now I want to add the seasoning. So let's put the seasoning on there. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this all-purpose seasoning on both sides of it. Both sides of the steak. And rub it well in. Beautiful seasoning this from Aldi. And the same on the other side. Sprinkle it on and rub it well in. Okay, so that's that prepared. So the next step would be to preheat the air fryer. So let's turn that on. I'm going to be using the air fryer function. Okay, so we'll press air fry. I want to set it for about 180, and I want to preheat it for about 5 minutes. So we'll get that preheated and then we'll move on to the next stage. So that's now preheated, drawer number 1. So I'm going to take out the drawer. In this particular air fryer, there's a crisper plate inside it. I'm going to leave that in. So we're going to drop the steak onto there. And we're going to set the air fryer again. We're going to again we're going to drop it down to 180, and we're going to fry it for 10 minutes. I say fry it, it doesn't fry it, it cooks it. So we're going to set it for 10 minutes, but halfway through I want to turn it round. So for the first timing bit, I'm going to time it to 5 minutes. Okay, and then when that's done, I'll open the drawer, turn it round and do it again for another 5 more minutes. So let's press start. And we'll leave that now for about 5 minutes. Then we'll open the drawer, turn it round and do it again for another 5 more minutes. Once that's done, we'll be wrapping it up nice and tightly in some tin foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. Very important, okay? So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now it's time to turn it around. So I'm just going to open up the drawer. I'm going to use a fork to turn it around because it will be hot. Just turn that round, drop it down there like that. And now we do the same again. Set the air fry, 180 and 5 minutes. And then we'll press start and I'll come back and then move on to the next stage. Okay, so that is now cooked. So what I want to do, I've got some tin foil here. See if I can make some space. And I'm just going to lift out the steak. Oh yes. And just drop it onto the tin foil. Now that needs to be wrapped up nice and tightly for 10 minutes and let it rest. This is a very important part. It has to rest. Okay, so we're going to wrap that up nice and tightly. And then we're going to put that to one side, and then I'm going to do the mushrooms and the chips. Okay, so we'll move on to that now. So again, we need to preheat the air fryer. So I'm going to choose air fryer for number 1, and I'm going to keep it at 200 for the chips, and I'm going to drop that down just to preheat it for about 4 minutes. And then I'm going to press number 2, and I'm going to use 180 air fry. 180, and I'm going to preheat that one for about 4 minutes. Okay, so we'll press start. So I'll just let them preheat, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Actually, while they're preheating, we'll prepare the mushrooms. So I've got some nice button mushrooms here. And I'm going to drop these in. They've already been cleaned up. I'm just going to leave them whole. I'm not going to cook them. Just leave them whole. That'll do. And I'm going to dribble a little bit of olive oil over them in the bowl like that. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt and black pepper. So I'll sprinkle the salt and a sprinkle of black pepper. And then you give them a good rolling around in the bowl, cover them up, make sure they're all well covered with the oil. So let's give. And then once that's finished preheating, everything's ready to go in. So I'll see you in a few minutes time. Okay, so that's all then preheated up. So let's get everything added. So I'm going to drop the mushrooms into drawer number 2. French fries from the local One Stop, beautiful. Okay, really nice in the air fryer, really nice. So I'm going to open up drawer number 1, and I've still got all the residue from the steak in there, which adds flavour to the chips. And I'm just going to drop a handful in there. And we're going to fry these for about 10 minutes, cook them for about 10 minutes. But after about 5 minutes, open the drawer and give them a good shake, and the same with the mushrooms. So let's set number 1 to air fry. Chips going to be about 200, and it'll take about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll set it for 10 minutes. And the mushrooms, which are in drawer number 2, air fry, we're going to drop them down to 180, and I'm going to fry them. Cook them for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'll check them after about 7 minutes or so, just to make sure they're not burning. But other than that, we'll press start. So I shall see you in a few minutes time, when we should be getting stuck in to a nice juicy tender sirloin steak. See you in a few minutes time. Okay, all done. Now for the big finale. Let's get everything dished out. So there, the chips done. I'm going to season my chips, a bit of salt, some pepper, and now the mushrooms. Right, let's get rid of the air fryer there for a minute. And now for the main ingredient, the steak. Just look at that. Just look at that. Beautiful. Get that on the plate. And now for the big test. Now I'm not using a steak knife here, I'm just using an ordinary knife. This is about medium rare, I would say, so if you like it more well done, give it a couple of extra minutes. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to click on subscribe. Beautiful. And look out for some more of my air fryer recipes coming out soon. And thanks for watching. See you again next time.